Hello, welcome to El Ballet. We are starting our 13th dance class of this year. I hope you will enjoy, and I advise you not to do the class only one time. You really have to get it in your body, in your feet. My dancers today are, all of them. We have Sanne, Esme, Fleur, Sarah, Merel, Ezra, and Isis. And we're starting with 2 hands at the bar. The left foot is starting with battement tendu à la seconde, and the 2, and the 3, close on 4. Right foot out, and the 2, and the 3, in plié, relevé, go, staying 2, and the 3, and 4, going down, demi-plié, relevé, demi-plié, stretch the legs, starting with the right, and the 2, close all the tendus in demi-plié, and the 1, so also the first time, 2. 3, being on the point, try to get on the point, plié, relevé, up, remembering how to go down, bending from the inside legs together with your 3/4 going down where you want to have the heels, but not shifting the heels. Yeah, remember, not shifting the heels. It's not healthy for your knees. Then we turn, stretching, stretching, and then we hold the bar going from stretch on a relevé, taking balance. So you are allowed to hold the bar while going up and then taking balance. And when you are in point, you have to move your back more sloping forward than normally. Okay. To the side with the left. Stretch your instep, totally plié. Go. Stretching. Plié, relevé on point, staying. Feel your grounds up. Demi-plié and up. Demi-plié and stretch. Right foot out from under your hip and plié on 4. 1, 2, 3, plié on 4. Be correctly in the music, my dears. Plié on 5, up on 6, down on 7, stretch on 8, turn around 1. 2, 3, 4, hanging, sloping forward, go forward, and roll up, and turn out, and turning out both legs at the same moment, your tail more bone to the front, and come up, holding the bar, relevé without a plié, search for your balance. Shoulders in front of the hips. Stretch your complete instep. Son, don't pull it back. Wonderful. Opening the arms. Oh, I wished you were also in this posture in a normal class, my dear. Now you felt it, Otherwise you fall down. Don't pull your instep back to hold your balance, Yeah. Okay. It was closing on 4, Merel, not closing on 3, yes. Okay. The pliés with 1 hand at the bar, in first, in second, and in 5th in the front. We have both times, and 1 and 2 and 3 and the 4. The same using of the arm. 1 and 2. And from the demi-plie, going on point, staying 1. Try to release the bar. And 3 and 4. You have time. 5 and 6. Going down, opening second. So I can imagine it's wobbling. Try to get both arms off the bar, but you are allowed to take him again. It's your friend, remember. And you remember, I promise, it will soon be a very normal class with point at your feet. Yeah. Okay. In 3, quietly. From the top. And stay. Try to find your balance. Fine. The thumb, Sarah. And plie. And. Opening. Breathing. And up. Wonderful. Plie 5th. 5th. And now it's a sissou. Both legs. Stay balanced. Turn your back to the other side. Demi-plie. To the side, not crawling down, 2 heels together. Fine. Oh, that's better. 1. Up. Holding. Stretch your instep, Fleur. Not clawing the toes. And the knee out. Where's your knee going? Going to the sides. Yeah, that's better. Holding to the side. Oh, it's your knee, not mine. And Sarah, you're doing wonderful. Why are you looking so worried? And up. Fingers. Looking so. And turning the back. Opening. And now 2 legs. Demi-plie. Opening. Yes. You feel as, huh? That's nice. Yes. Don't look so worried. You're doing a wonderful job. Try not to be on point. I've heard doing this. Really stretching, not hanging in your toes. It's really getting out of the toes. Out of the... Yes, stretching. That's better, Fleur. You didn't do that, huh? Yeah, okay. Débattement tendu. À la seconde, closing in the back. À la seconde, closing in the front. Inside leg, closing front. Inside leg, closing in the back. Outside leg, demi-plie. Through the 3/4, heel down, relevé. Plié.